Hi retail people, as you all know, the camera is a top consideration for most smartphone buyers, and Pixel cameras are among the best in the game, but it can be difficult to fully experience all their features in store. To help show why we believe Pixel and its awesome camera is the right choice for your customers, we created this lookbook to show you the amazing photography you can achieve with Pixel phones. Let's walk through it in a little more detail. The first feature we describe is portrait mode. Starting from the top left, you find a description of the feature. In this case, we explain how Google AI is used to create the blur effect in the background of a photo, giving photos a DSLR-like quality. Moving down the page, there's a step-by-step guide on how to use each feature on Pixel. This is to help folks demo in-store or show customers how easy it is to use each feature. On the right-hand page, you'll see which Pixel phones offer each feature. For portrait mode, that's Pixel 3, Pixel 3a, and Pixel 4. And of course, you'll see this gorgeous shot taken using portrait mode on a Pixel phone. Next up is Google Lens, which helps you search for info about what you see in the camera viewfinder, or even translate and copy text from the world around you in real time. Here we can see that Lens can even identify dog breeds. Cute! Pixel phones have wide-angle selfie cameras that help people fit more in. This is the kind of feature you don't know you'll love until you have it. So if a customer is a social media butterfly, it's worth highlighting this feature. You could even grab a selfie with your customer to help demo the feature. Just ask their permission first. The astrophotography feature is available on Pixel 3, 3a, and 4. This truly unique feature allows anyone to easily capture beautiful, detailed, high-resolution pictures in the dark. So if you sell phones, you probably already know what HDR is. Let's talk Live HDR+. That's another AI-driven feature on Pixel 4 that allows you to see what your HDR+ shot will look like in the viewfinder before you take the photo. Pixel 4 also has dual exposure controls that allow you to tweak shadows and exposure independently. You can see how they work in illustrations here, as well as a great photo showing the final product. Super Res Zoom is a Pixel feature that uses Google AI to get zoomed photos that are clear and detailed. Check out this photo of a butterfly to see exactly how clear and vibrant those photos can be. A traditional flash would overexpose subjects in dark environments and wash out the background, but with Night Sight, you're able to take stunning photos in low-light environments. No flash required. You can see the incredible results right here. Since time is everything, we provided a quick comparison of Pixel's camera features by pixel model to help your customers pick the right one. Well, there you have it, a quick overview of all Pixel's camera features in action. We hope this helps you in store.